Welcome to your user's guide to the Mave operator chair. In your box you will find a seat, one backrest, a mechanism chassis, a pair of 2 arms, a gas lift and cover, a 5-spur base, a set of 5 casters, and a fittings pack. Assembly. Push the casters into the pinholes in the base. Put the gas strut into the base and place the telescopic gas strut cover over the piston. Take the seat and place it upside down on a solid, clean, raised surface. Position the arm and use the 3 bolts for each arm to fix. When tightening the bolts, use the long part of the Allen key to give you maximum tension. Take the chassis and using 4 bolts, locate and fix. Take the backrest assembly and first locate, then tighten the 4 retaining bolts to secure. Lift the main chair assembly and locate the chassis taper over the top of the gas lift. Drop it into place. Functions. The lever on the right under the seat can be pulled up to release the gas lift. The same lever can be pulled out to release the tilting action. Push it in again and it will lock in a position. The central tension wheel can be turned to increase or decrease the tension. And that's it. Enjoy your Mave chair.